Hey guys, welcome to my Saigon, Vietnam travel vlog. Starting here at the Ia International Airport, my flight ticket costs 6,600 pesos booked through Cebu Pacific website plus 1,620 pesos for travel tax which I paid online through eTravel. Here's the online receipt. The flight only takes 2.5 hours from Manila to Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. So that's really super quick. Finally landed in Saigon, Vietnam. First stop, ATM to withdraw 2 million dong for my trip. So that's around 4,500 pesos. And I use my Cbank here, MasterCard for the withdrawal. So they're charging you 100,000 dong per withdrawal. After that, I booked a Grab to head straight to my hotel in District 1. This took me 15 minutes travel time. Now, this is Liberty Central Saigon Riverside Hotel. It was booked for 5 nights online for $490.
My God!
Hey, this is now my room tour. So, let's check it out. It's modern, cozy, and with an amazing view of Times Square at front and Saigon River at the back. Nice toilet, shower area, and of course 2 beds. And this is the window view of the hotel. We got TV, refrigerator, and the mini bar. Of course, we have here the selfie time. Outfit check. That's it for my arrival vlog, Manila to Saigon. Stay tuned for my Vietnam adventures.